Today I'm gonna show you how to cut a cow because this year is a year of cow, and you're gonna need a piece of paper, a pen, and a scissor. I chose red color because this is a lucky color for Chinese. First of all, you have to fold this paper from the middle, like this. Then you will need this pen to draw the shape you would like to cut. So I would like to draw a cow here. So this is the tricky part. The eyes we need to fold from the middle. So cut half triangle. See, open it. Gonna be look like eyes. And for this part too, fold it from the middle. Cut a small triangle. So we're gonna open it now. Here comes a cow.